Hello friends, today we are solving power set problem. So in this problem, input will be a given string. Example you can see as ABC. So power set of ABC will be A, AB, ABC, AC, B, BC and C, right? So this will be a power set. So we need to print this using recursion. So how we can solve it? So basically I have initially created one public static void main method to call our function. So print power set will be printing all those like the power set of elements. So the base condition, what will be our base condition? So base condition will be if, so we are passing like string s, which will be the input string. Okay, we are passing index, we are passing n, the size of input string, and the current string. So basically if index becomes equal to n, will return. So this is our base condition to end the recursion. So else what we will do, we'll use a one for loop. Okay, so for int I equal to index plus 1, I less than n, I plus plus. So what we are doing is we are passing index. So as of now in over here the initial index is -1, and so I will be starting from the 0 basically. So that's why we created index plus 1. Okay, so now what we can do is we can call print power function. So first initially what we could have done is like initially whenever we could have print over here, like if index is equal to n, our function will return. But if it is not the case, then what we can do is we can print the string over there. Current. So every time it will be printing current string. So basically suppose ABC is our input string. So initially it will start by printing like, so ABC will be called initially. So I'll make a dry run after implementation. Okay, so okay, so now I have initialized the values. Okay, so now I will be changing current plus equal to s dot char at I. So basically I am appending the element. So suppose index, so input string is suppose ABC, which is, so I am adding a to it. Current is empty as of now. I am adding a. What I'll do, I'll recursively call this print power set as, now what will be the index now? I. Okay, I will be index. What will be the n? N will be the same, how many number of elements are there, and then current as well. So now current will be a will be coming over here, and system.out.println will print a, then again it will go inside the loop, I will be index plus 1. Okay, so like this it will be going recursively. Now we need to backtrack as well. So in order to delete the same thing after calling this, so what we should do, current equal to current dot substring 0 current dot length -1. So basically what we are doing is we are creating another string which is one less. So whatever we added over here, we are creating another string and assigning to this, which is having this older current, like the same thing. Okay, so the thing s.caret was added and then it was deleted in this step. Okay, so this is the backtracking step as well, you can say. After this is the end of the function. So if you just click on this run power set main. So it will be like AB, ABC, AC, B, BC, C. So how it is happening is, like initially it was like ABC. So input was ABC, index equal to n, return. It was not the case. System.out.println empty statement, it have printed for int I equal to index plus 1. So now index was minus 1 initially, we called. Now index plus 1 will become 0, 0, I is less than n. Yes, I plus plus. Current equal to current plus s dot char dot I. It means now A will be the current, because we are passing empty string to the current. And okay, yeah, so now A will be current will be called print power set current. Again it will come over here, it will print A, it will go over here. As of now index will be 0 from here, so I will be passed. So I now will be I plus 1. Again recursively this thing happen, and AB will be printed over here. Similarly ABC will be printed, and again recursively it will print all those power sets. So let me know in the comment section, like what I can improve. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.